In this section, we'll give you some guidelines for preparing to embroider different types of fabrics. One of the most popular applications of embroidery is monogramming, especially on bed and bath linens. Towels introduce particular challenges for embroidery because of their texture. Choose embroidery designs that offer good coverage and avoid tiny designs or detail. For designs to look their best, both a backing and a topper should be used when embroidering towels. For the back, use a tear and wash or tear-away stabilizer. A topper is a must to prevent stitches from getting lost in the towel's loops. Standard toppers used for towels are either a rinse-away stabilizer or an iron-away film stabilizer. Lay the backing onto a flat surface, then apply temporary fabric spray adhesive. Place the towel on top of the stabilizer. Position this onto the outer hoop. Set the topper in place. Set the inner hoop in position, then hoop the layers together. Some towels may be too thick to hoop, making it difficult to secure the inner hoop. In this case, completely hoop the backing stabilizer only. Apply temporary fabric spray adhesive, then place the towel on top of the hooped stabilizer. Set the topper in place, then use straight pins to secure the topper and towel to the hooped stabilizer. Make sure the pins go through to the back side and that they are outside of the stitching area. A Singer Chromium Style 2000 needle is recommended. To embroider t-shirts, sweatshirts, or fleece, use a cutaway mesh underneath. This will stabilize the stretch and provide a soft, permanent backing. The excess stabilizer is trimmed away when embroidery is finished. For fusible mesh, use an iron to apply the stabilizer to the underside. For non-fusible mesh, apply it with temporary fabric spray adhesive. If desired, a topper can also be used for t-shirts and sweatshirts, but a topper should always be used for fleece to hold down the loft while embroidering. A Singer Chromium Style 2001 ballpoint needle is recommended. The best sweaters to work with are those that have a small, even rib, rather than bulky knits. To embroider directly onto the sweater, first hoop a lightweight mesh stabilizer, apply temporary fabric spray adhesive to the stabilizer, then position the sweater directly onto the stabilizer. An iron-away film stabilizer can be used as a topper if desired. Don't hoop the sweater, as hooping it could cause distortion of the sweater and is likely to leave hoop marks. A Singer Chromium 2001 ballpoint needle is recommended. For lightweight fabrics, use a lightweight cutaway mesh or a rinse-away stabilizer underneath. For more complex designs like this, a rinse-away stabilizer is the better choice so the excess is more easily removed. For sheer fabrics, use either a rinse-away stabilizer or 1 to 2 layers of iron-away film stabilizer on the back side of the project. The stabilizer will remove completely, which is desirable if the project may be visible from both sides. Use a Singer Chromium Style 2000 needle, size 11. A size 11 needle is smaller and will help prevent making large holes in the fabric. Heavyweight fabrics, like canvas, require the use of a medium to firm cutaway stabilizer. First hoop the stabilizer alone, apply temporary fabric spray adhesive, then place the fabric onto the stabilizer. If the fabric is extremely dense, it may require a topper as well because of the fabric's texture. To embroider heavyweight fabrics, a Singer Chromium Style 2000 needle, at least size 14, is recommended. Denim fabric is actually an unstable twill weave. Therefore, a cutaway stabilizer is recommended. If designs are very dense, more layers of stabilizer can be added to support the heavy stitch count of the design. A Singer Chromium Style 2000 needle, size 14, is recommended. Fabrics such as velvet or corduroy have a nap, and therefore will show hoop marks if hooped in the traditional way. The inner hoop will crush a ring into the napped fabric that will be nearly impossible to remove. To embroider napped fabrics, first hoop a medium-weight cutaway stabilizer. Apply temporary fabric spray adhesive, then place the fabric on top. Use an iron-away film stabilizer as a topper if desired. A Singer Chromium Style 2000 needle is recommended.